Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make selfie stickers on Instagram. Instagram story stickers have been a fun and easy way to make your Instagram feed look more attractive. You have an opportunity to choose from the stickers like time, location, weather, hashtag, challenge, and selfie. Follow these steps and you will know how to add a selfie sticker to your story. Go to your Instagram home tab and swipe left or tap your story in the top left corner of your screen. Now take a picture. After that, click on the smiley icon at the top of your screen and choose the camera sticker. Tap the bottom in order to take a selfie. You can change your selfie border by clicking on it. Also, you have an opportunity to place your selfie where you want on your screen. That's it. As you can notice, the selfie stickers can be created quickly with just one click of the button. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a selfie sticker on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.